Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful cardboard and hot glue Valentine ornaments for my Valentine's Day tree, and I can't wait to share them with you. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi, and you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello, or Happy Valentine's Day. Are you ready? Let's make some cardboard and hot glue ornaments.
Represented by an anatomically inaccurate shape, the heart symbol is often used to represent the center of emotion, including affection and love, especially romantic love. Before the 14th century, the heart shape was not associated with the meaning of love, but typically foliage like fig leaves, the leaves of ivy, and the water lily. The use of the heart symbol as a logograph for the English verb to love derives from the use in the I Heart New York logo introduced in 1977. There has been some conjecture regarding the link between the heart symbol and the images of the fruit of silphium, a probably extinct plant known to classical antiquity, which was used as a medicine.
I'm going to leave a link to Arteza, Prima, and Surebonder in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.